Arthur's point of view, Jungi celebrated his kid's 21st birthday as beautiful and memorable as he can. He left no stone unturned to make Jimin's 21st birthday special. He gave Jimin so many surprises. One by one, Jimin was on cloud 9. He never celebrated his birthday like this before. All the family members were present there, including Taekook, Namjin, and their parents. Jimin wasn't ready to cut the cake and run away from there. Yoongi turned into kid and started running behind him. Seeing Yunmin this much happy, everyone became super happy and sighed in relief to see both of them happy and with each other. Their parents were more than happy because they did their wedding without their will. They both didn't want to do this wedding, but due to family pressure, they did, and gladly it turned out like this. Yoongi started enjoying his life with Jimin. Jimin filled colors in his boring and dull life. Nowadays, Jimin started feeling scared whenever Yoongi went anywhere. He always wanna stick with him. Let's see what happens next. Jimin's father. I was always feeling so guilty to do our Jimmy's wedding in such a hurry, and that too without even his will. Indeed, we did lots of research about Yoongi before doing this marriage, but then also we hurt our one and only son. I was always worried for his future. How will he manage without us? How will he live with Yoongi? Jimin's mom. Me too, Jagya. But we are so glad to have son-in-law like Yoongi. He never let Jimmy feel that he was alone. He doesn't have anyone with him. He always stood up for him. He always stayed with him. With him, our Jimmy is much more happier. He is feeling safe in Yoongi's arm. Jimmy's father. We don't get time to talk with Jimmy, but he always called us and informed about Jimmy. He never hid anything from us. Jimmy's mom, yeah, do you remember when he punished Jimmy for destroying his kitchen? Jimmy's father, yeah, I remembered how he apologized to us, how much he worried when Jimmy got high fever. Jimmy's mom, and we have to make him understand that he didn't do anything wrong. Now he has full rights on him. He doesn't need to tell us anything. We aren't gonna complain to him. He has full right on him. Now he is his husband. Jimin's father. If our Jimmy is an angel, then our Yoongi is guardian angel. He always protect our Jimmy from every bad thing and person. Jimin's mom. They are made for each other. Their match was already made in heaven. We are just there for a reason. That says na everything happened for a reason. God already decided everything. We are only puppet of their hands. Mrs. Minjakya, see how much happier Yoongi looks. I never thought that I will able to witness his happiness. Mr. Kim, it's all happened because of our Jimmy. We are so lucky to have him. We really got an angel. From whence he came into Yoongi's life, Yoongi changed himself for him. He never showed his feelings to anyone, but with Jimin, he expressed his all the feelings. He is enjoying his life with Jimmy. I am so happy today because of Jimmy. He talked with us. He cleared our misunderstandings. He gave us our son back. We will never be able to repay his debt. Mrs. Min, because of Jimmy, his anger issues resolved. He is perfectly fit and fine now. He doesn't need to hide anything inside his heart. Now he has Jimmy. He can share everything with him. He is willing to do everything for him. Mr. Min, that's called true love. You happily change yourself according to your life partner just for his or her happiness. Grandma Ash, this boy, what could we do with them? Grandpa, nothing, we can't do anything with them. First only our Jimmy run here and there, now our Yoongi also started running here and there. They both are small kids, see how they are running like they are 5-6 year old kids. Grandma, are the Prince of Busan and the King of Daegu wanna play now? I thought Yoongi will handle a Jimmy, but here he is also become a kid. Grandpa, let them enjoy. This is the most precious memories. They will remember this when they will become old. Finally, Yoongi caught Jimin and took him where there everyone was waiting for him. Yoongi, now blow the candle. See, everyone is waiting for you. Jimin happily blew, but Grandma quickly covered the cake by her hands. Grandma, Jimmy, what are you doing? Jimin, I was blowing the air just like Yun said. Grandma, first make a wish, then blow the candles. Jimin looked at her. What do I wish? Grandma, whatever you want. Jimin, but you already fulfilled my all the wishes. I don't have any wish left. Looked at Yoongi. Yun, what do I wish? Yoongi, why are you asking from me? It's your wish. Jimin, but you always say na that you know everything about me. Then tell me what should I wish? I have everything. Yoongi, then wish how to frustrate me day by day. Jimin, when did I frustrate you? Yoongi, it's frustrate. Jimin, it's same Yun. By the way, you gave me a hint. He immediately closed his eyes and made a wish with big and happy smile. Jimin in mind, God, I have everything in my life. Thanks for giving me everything, especially Yun. But if you wanna fulfill my any wish, then please let me and Yun always be together for the rest of our 7 life. Yoongi never believed in God, but after Jimin's arrival, he started believing in parallel world. He started believing that there must be a power between our hands. Because of that, he got Jimin in his life. He already gave up the hope to get normal life again, but now he has everything. He has his parents, grandparents' love, a compatible life partner, a beautiful reason to live. Now he has mental peace too. Now, when he went to sleep, he smiled. When he woke up, he smiled because the first thing he sees after waking up is Jimin's angelic face, and the last thing he saw before the sleeping, Jimin's angelic face. He sleeps with him while cuddling with him, which assure him that he is with him in his all the situation. He will always stay with him. It's all a miracle for him. Jimin came in his dark and depressed life with a ray of happiness. He filled color in his boring life. He made him smile. He forced him to find happiness in small things. He taught him that you can live happily without luxury things. You just need a partner with whom you are comfortable with your flaws. Yoongi looked at Jimin's happy face and said in mind, please give me strength to fulfill his all the wishes. I don't want anything for myself. I want whatever he wished. Maybe it fulfilled soon. Jimin opened his eyes and happily blew the candle and cut the cake. They all happily enjoyed their dinner while chit-chatting. They all were very happy to see Yunmin's happiness. All the parents and grandparents already left from there. Now only Namjin, Taekook and Yunmin were left. Namjin in one laptop and Taekook in another laptop's screen. Yoongi to Taekook, why were you closing your eyes earlier? Jin, I told them. Yoongi, we hung. Now what did they do? Jin, I told them because I want to protect my baby's innocence. Yoongi, their innocence? From when they become innocent? And from whom you want to protect their innocence? Jin, from you, the way you were chasing behind my Jimmy. What will my innocent babies learn from you? Yoongi, first of all, I was chasing him to bring him back, not like you two. And secondly, your babies aren't innocent at all, so please stop this drama. And you two, Taekook, born powered. In fact, you all are cowards. Jin, okay, I accept you all are cowards, but you understood our thinking very well. Then what are you? Yoongi, you all corrupt my system. I was all innocent before. June, yeah, why not? By the way, tell us, what did you give to Jimmy? He seems very happy. Jin, yeah, tell us, did you both kiss? Yoongi, shut up, you pervert man. Don't you have the slightest shame left? Tikuk are also here. How can you say this in front of them? Jin, what shame? And they both are adult and already married. Why do we feel shame? It's a romantic thing, not shameless. Not tell us now. Yoongi shook his head in disbelief. I can't believe on you. Jimin came there with fluffy blanket because they were in the garden and here's weather is very cold. They don't have any other room where they can talk with peacefully. Jimin, Yoon, what can't you believe? Yoongi looked at him and immediately took the blanket from his hand. Why did you bring the blanket by yourself? You should tell me. Jimin, it's okay, Yoon. It's not heavy. I'm so strong. Did you remember? Yoongi made him covered fully with the blanket. Yeah, I know how much strong you are. Now cover yourself. Jimin, cover yourself too, otherwise you will catch cold. Then do achoo, achoo. Yoongi immediately covered himself and Jimin quickly held him tightly. Yoongi looked at him. Comfortable? Jimin happily nodded his head. More than that, looked at Jin, who was happily looking at them with big happy smile. Jinny Yangi, what happened? Why are you looking at us like this? Jin, I'm seeing that you are looking so happy. Tell me, what did this cold stone-hearted man give to you? Did he give you any special gift? Said teasingly. Jimin, Jinny Hangi, he isn't cold stone-hearted man. He is so soft. Cut off by Jin. Jin, when did you touch? Yoongi angrily glared at him. I mean, see his heart. Jimin, Jinny Hangi, you are so innocent. How can we see or touch anyone's heart? We can only feel their feelings. Yoongi, but he is dumb to understand the simple thing. He doesn't know what to say in front of other or not. Ignore him. You don't need to pay attention on his useless talks. Jin, in mind, thank God I stopped myself, otherwise this cat will kill me by his glare. Cook, Jimin Shi, tell us now, what special gift is Sugayang give to you? Jimin, today I got so many surprises. First, I got lots of balloons tied on our gate, something written on it, cut off. Cook, curiously, what did written on them? Jimin, my Vita. Cook, confused, what's this? Jimin shrugged his shoulder. I don't know. I asked from grandma, but she said she doesn't know. It's not English word. Cook looked at T. T. What's this meaning? T. I don't know, Cuckoo. I heard this word first time in my life. Cook. You're just an usual professor. Who made you professor, huh? T. Cuckoo, baby, I'm math professor, not foreign language professor. I can solve any equation. You can ask any equation. Cook. What do I do with your equations? It's better I would marry with foreign language professor. T. Looked dramatically. What are you talking about, baby? It must be a bad word. Cook. How do you know that it's a bad word when you don't know its meaning? T. Because of this word, my love is fighting with me. It's definitely a bad word. Forget about it. Cook looked at June. Juni Yangi, what's it mean? You must be know. You are so intelligent, na? June, of course I know. Cook, then tell us. June, my life. Jin lovingly looked at him. Yes, honey. June, I'm not calling to you. Jin angrily looked at him. Then whom are you calling my life? Who else is your life other than me? Tell me quickly, or I will break your bones just like you break the things. June, scared. No, nothing, Ginny. Why so angry? You know now, you are my first and last love. I can't dare to see anyone except you. Jin, it's good for you. Tea whispered to Cook, "See, Cuckoo, it's really a bad word. Because of this, Yangs started fighting. You still wanna know the meaning of this word?" Cook looked at Tea with scared eyes. "No." Jimin tucked Yoongi's jacket. "Yoon." Yoongi looked at him. Jimin, "What does it mean?" Yoongi asked to Yoon. Jimin shook his head vigorously. "No, Jinny Yoongi is looking so scary." Yoongi, "Then keep quiet." Yoon, "Jinny, I love you so much. See, Tea, Cook and Jimin are so scared to see you like this. Now let's not spoil our mood. It's our Jimmy's birthday." Jin looked at Tea, Cook and Jimin. "Don't be scared, babies. Jimmy, tell us, where did you go today?" Jimin, "Yun took me to the lake that was 2 hours far away. You know, Yangi, Yun hired a bike on rent. We went there by bike. Then we did boating. There wasn't anyone except us. Boat was beautifully decorated. From where we can see the mountains that all were so beautiful and peaceful. And yeah, he gave me 21 food items to eat that all were so tasty." Licked his lips. June, "What's this, Yoongi Yang? You gave him food items? Usually we give expensive gifts, na?" Yoongi, but expensive gifts are waste for him. He only wants delicious food. If his small tummy will full, he will be happy. Otherwise, sulking all day tickled him. Jimin started giggling. "Stop it, na! Food is life, na!" Jin, "Absolutely right, Jimmy." Yoongi, "You didn't tell them that you met with your relatives there." Jimin, "They weren't my relatives." Yoongi, "Yep, they were. Did you forget she helped you to find your lost pea-sized brain?" Jimin shouts, "Bean-sized!" June shouts, "Silence, please, silence!" Jimmy, "Tell us with whom you met." Jimin, "We met with some ducks in the lake, and since then he was teasing me that they were my relatives because I also have a cute pout like them." Jin, "Don't pay attention on him. He's jealous of you." Jimin, "Right. Mini Unicorn? Jinny Yangi, you know, we saw fireworks too." Cook, "Fireworks?" Jimin, "Fireworks, Cookie. You know that fireworks were the best and far better than Disney's fireworks." Cook, big two eyes, "Really, Jimmy Yangi?" Jimin, "Really? Only me and Yun were there. Only we saw that. That was specially for us. There was something written by fireworks, but I didn't understand anything. All of those things were looking so beautiful. I can't explain those beautiful moments. It was my bestest birthday." He was talking with shiny, sparkling eyes. Happiness was clearly visible from his eyes and tone. By looking at him, anyone can see that he is in deeply love. June, "Did you already propose him?" Yoongi, "No, that was only happy birthday." Jimin looked at June and Yoongi. "What are you two talking about, and what's this language?" Yoongi, "It's none of your business." Jimin remembered something. "Oh yeah, Yun, what's the meaning of dominating?" Yoongi, "Dominating? Tell me the full sentence and why so certain you wanna know its meaning." Jimin, "In the morning, Namjin Hyangi called me. Then Junhyang said, I love my Jinny like this, caring and dominating. I understood the meaning of caring but not dominating. When I asked to him, then he said, ask to you and tell you demonstrate it. So I will easily understand this. Now demonstrate me?" asked innocently. Yoongi, stunned to hear this. "What?" Cook looked at Tea. "Tea, I also want to know the meaning of dominating." Jin, shocked. "Cookie, you also don't know?" Tea slowly shook his head. "No, Hang, he is still so young, so I don't want to do anything now." Cook looked at him. "What are you talking about? For what am I so young? What don't you want to do?" Did you hide anything from me? I will see you later. You just wait. Jinny Yangi, you tell me na. Jin, no one. They should tell you about this, not me. Jimin looked at Yoongi. Yoon, I'm still waiting. Tell me na. Yoongi, shut up. You don't need to know everything. They both were saying nonsense. You shouldn't pay attention to their rubbish talk. And you too, Namjin, don't need to teach him everything. Jin, I will teach him everything. What will you do? I have to get him married in future. What will his husband think about us? He will think we didn't teach him anything. Jimmy. But before he could say anything further, he cut the call. Jimin, hey, why did you cut the call? Jinny Yangi was saying something important. Yoongi, shut up. He never says anything important. He only talks rubbish. He doesn't know anything other than rubbish. Stay far away from him. No need to talk with him. Jimin, wait, he is my Jinny Yangi. Yoongi, can't you listen at once? When I said anything to you, then you should obey me. Now come inside. We should also sleep. About to go. Jimin held his hand. Yoon, can we sleep here under the open sky? Yoongi, are you mad? Here you will be freeze. Jimin, nothing happened to me. Please, nah. It's my birthday. Please, please, please. Yoongi, in mind, look like I have to do something really fast. These powers, Taekook and Namjin, very desperate to ruin my kid's innocence. Jin Yang crossed all the limits today. How shamelessly he was going to tell him all those things. How can anyone be this much shameless? Yoongi freed his hand from Jimin's grip and started walking with the blanket. Jimin's face turned so small. To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? Will Yoongi allow Jimin to sleep outside? Should Taeki teach Taekook the meaning of domination and demonstration? Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. Tell me how long Yoongi protect his precious kid's innocence. Next episode is gonna super romantic. You will get all Yoonmin, Taekook and Namjin's romantic scenes. Just wait for a little bit. From past few weeks, or should I say from the months, my videos aren't getting reach. Yeah, I can understand you all too. This story is too long, a little bit different from which usually you read before, so maybe you all already get bored. I already told you all that this is gonna be long story. I didn't write it for YouTube. I started this as a book novel, but then I started getting lots of messages from other writers that they wanna upload it on their YouTube channel. By protecting my story to get copy, I have to upload it on YouTube. So now I can't finish it in the middle. I have to complete it. I don't know how many of you gonna support me, but I don't have any other choice. Hope you all understand it. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.